In this video, I'm going to talk about my online income streams coming up. All right, so let's talk about my online income streams and what I recommend for you guys who are just getting started. So as I mentioned in the previous video, we need phase one. Either you need to have a hobby or an expertise or even a passion, right? So let's say your passion is in baking. So ideally your income streams should go along something like this. First of all, you need to be able to create videos or even blog about baking. And also in that, I'm sure you use tools for baking. So you want to recommend the tools that you use or the devices that you use for baking. And there's a large company out there called Amazon. I'm not sure if you know about it. So what you do is, as you're creating your articles or your videos, you need to be mentioning these tools that you use. And this is also called affiliate marketing, by the way. Every time someone buys from that link, you get a commission. Now, this money is not a lot, especially from Amazon. I mean, the percentages is about 2%. So it's very, very little, but it adds on. But this is not the only way you want to do it. Once you've set your links to those products or services, you are going to be getting a commission from that. Now, the other way you can also do it is, depending on the field that you're in, you can recommend software. Now, software has really worked very, very well for me. In my case, I promote Divi, I promote Wishlist Member. All these are tools that help you build functional websites. So some of these commissions are as much as 30%, 40%, sometimes even 50%. So that's where you make the most money. So it's just going to depend on your industry. And you know what? We're going to be covering this in live Q&A sessions. So I'm very happy to help you guys as we go through this, because of course, just by doing this video, it's not going to be enough information for you to just go out there and start doing it. So I'm going to be doing some live Q&A videos soon. All right, so that's the affiliate marketing. So the affiliate marketing is very, 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 very strong. I would say in my case, that's where I get the bulk of my income from affiliate marketing. So you just need to assess your industry and find and research companies that you can promote as an affiliate, and also work out what the commission rate is. Okay, so that's affiliate marketing. The second way you can make money online is by creating a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube, when you create your videos and they start becoming popular, they're going to be putting ads on your videos. And when they put ads on your videos, you share revenue with YouTube. Now, I've done this and I've got a ton of videos here. I mean, close to 550 videos. So I make a considerable amount of money online, but this should be something you need to be building on the side. You should not be really focusing on earning £2,000, £3,000 just from your YouTube channel. That takes a very long time. But as you're building your site, you're also building your credibility with YouTube. So you have to be consistent on the channel. So that's another source of income that really helps me with my online business. Now let's move on to courses. Now I have my own courses here on my own website. So I host my own courses. So let's say you're an accountant and you'd like to teach people how to become an accountant. You can create a course and sell that course on your own website. Or if you're into baking, you can actually sell your process of how you bake specific things, like maybe sourdough bread. You can show people how to bake sourdough bread, or show people how to bake specific cakes, wedding cakes, whatever it is. If you're a photographer, you can, sell or recommend the types of tools that you use for photography. It may be the lenses that you use, the cameras themselves. You can also do reviews. Reviews is huge. If you find a niche or your phase one stage where it doesn't have a lot of competition, you can make a lot of money with reviews. Just doing reviews is good enough to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing and also creating even your courses. So here on the courses, you can charge whatever price you want and support the courses as well. So as you can see here, I have 5 courses, but I have quite a lot behind the scenes as well. Now, there's also another technique that I use when I promote software, and that is to create a mini course that goes with that software, teaching people how they can get up and running really, really fast. So that can also help increase people that want to buy your product or your services. Now, on the subject of courses, I've just spoken about hosting your own courses here. You can also go to places like Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is also a platform that allows you to go in, register, and you can start selling your courses here as well on Skillshare. It's a fantastic platform. I get about $300 to $400 a month just from a few videos that I've put here. So as you can see here, there's quite a lot of people that post their courses. For example, if you take a look at this one here, how to build a lead generation funnel for consultants and whatever, it has 1,052 students. Now that's a lot. And if you just focus on having your courses here on Skillshare, you can make a considerable amount of money. But I would recommend having your courses on Skillshare and on your own platform as well. So you can have the advanced courses on your own platform and have a few on Skillshare that don't go into a lot of depth. And here's the thing, while you put your courses out there on Skillshare, they should also have your affiliate links, because that's how people will be buying whatever it is that you're suggesting in those courses that you have on Skillshare. So these are the main streams of income that I run on my online business, and these are the ones that I recommend. Yes, it does take time to get the ball rolling, but once you get started, the main thing is the audience. Once you start building your audience, you'll start to see this, fall into place slowly. And it is a very, very exciting journey. And I'm actually thinking of, or in fact, I am going to create a community that focuses on creating an online business so we can share all our ideas and our progress. So make sure that you sign up on funnelstoincome.com. and also on my YouTube channel, because by doing so, I'll be able to notify you every time I have new videos or new tips, or even when I go live. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below, and I'll be very happy to answer them. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.